Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for such an amazing response to my first ever YouTube video. So that's why I'm back again with yet another one. And today I have brought around 13 to 14 opportunities for you guys. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So the first one is by Satyam Venture Engineering, and they're looking for trainee engineers. The batch that is allowed is 2020, and they have a 2 years bond, and the salary will be around 2.75 lakhs per annum. Moving ahead, we have a great company, Traction. I have recently checked in on LinkedIn. It's a very good company, and the salary they are providing is around 3 lakhs per annum, and they are looking for an automation engineer. So even 2021 graduates, freshers can apply for the same. Moving ahead, we have ACI Worldwide. You all must have heard about this company, and they're looking for associate software engineers. The salary they provide is around 46,000 pounds per annum. As I have checked on Glassdoor, I didn't find the Indian salary, so that's why pounds. Moving ahead, we have Upgrad. So this is a bit different job. They are looking for associate student success manager. So you can check the job description here, and they are looking for someone who has great communication skills and who can talk to the candidates via phone or email, and you should have 0 to 3 years of experience, like so 2019, 2020, 2021, all the graduates can apply for here. So next we have is Wonderland. It's a very great company, and this time they are looking for trainee engineers in mechanical field, so all the mechanical candidates can apply for it. The next is a very huge company, Baker Hughes, and they are looking for trainees in enterprise technology. The batches that will be allowed here are 2020 and 2021. So this will be a training. So the training will be around 6 to 7 months, and you will be getting a stipend of around 19,000 pounds again, because as I have checked on Glassdoor. So yeah, you can apply for the same. So moving ahead, we have a very unique company, Diebold Nixdorf. I haven't heard about it recently because this is a very unique one. So I just checked on LinkedIn, and it's a very great company. So they are trying to get the graduates of 2020 and 2021. All the batches of CS, IT, and EC, and also MCA candidates are all allowed here. So you can apply for the same, and they are providing a salary of around 5 lakhs per annum. The batches will be 2020 and 2021. Next we have is TCS. So TCS is back for the mass hiring again. TCS Ninja hiring. So the hiring has already been started, and it will be by 15th of August 2021. So go ahead and get yourself registered very soon. The next we have is by Reliance Jio. So they are looking for graduate engineer trainees, and yeah, or 2019, 2020, and 2021 batches can apply for it, and BTech and MTech students can go for it. The next we are looking is CGI. It's a very great company, and they're looking for Java developers this time. The salary that they'll be providing will be around 41,000 pounds as described on Glassdoor. So go ahead and check this job. Moving ahead, we have another company, Indus Action Initiatives. I haven't heard about much about this company, but yeah, they are looking for full stack developers, and the salary they will be providing will be around 3 to 6 lakhs per annum, which will be organized on the basis of your interview, that how you perform, and that's how you will be getting the salary on that basis. And the next one we have is Venera Technologies. They are looking for quality assurance engineers, or you can say automation or manual testing engineers. So you can apply for it, and the batches allowed are 2019, 2020, and 2021. So all the BTech and MEM Tech students can apply for the same. At the end, I have brought a government job for you guys. So you all have heard about Bharat Petroleum Corporation Limited, BPCL. So this time they are hiring for all the technologies, all the engineering branches, even though civil, mechanical, electrical, and all the ones. You can see the number of training vacancies available here, and they'll be providing a stipend of around 21,000 per month, and the duration of the training will be around 1 year. Be alert that the place of training will be around Kochi. And also, apart from BE Tech students, they're also hiring for diploma candidates in chemical engineering, mechanical, electrical as well. So you can check these positions, and the stipend in the diploma case will be around 18,000 per month, with the same training period of around 1 year in Kochi. So I have given the link in the description of my video, so you can check. And first you have to enroll in this program, and you have to fill all those details, and then you will be getting all those details via your email. So that's it from my side for today. Thank you so much, and please comment down below if you want some other information regarding those forms, and please subscribe to my channel so that I get more motivation to make such kind of videos and help you out, guys. Thank you so much. Have a good day.